Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A810 and A811 screws that are required for putting the turf onto Outdure's framing system. So they're essentially exactly the same screw, they're just a different length. It's very simple. They have two functions. So let's talk about the longer screw to start with, which is the A811. This is it here. It's a self-drilling screw with a machine thread. It's designed for screwing into aluminium. And what that does, that is for attaching the baseboard to the joists where you can't use a twist clip. So it's very simple, obviously one screw per connection where the baseboard is intersecting with the joist. So if we can't use that clip there and that clip there, then we would go screw here and screw there. Very simple. Next screw, the A810. So it's just a shorter screw, and this is what we use for, if I can hold it up the right way, like so. So that is about a 1/2 inch screw and 20 mil, so actually 3/4 inch screw. And that is for installing or fixing the turf, so the artificial turf, which is kind of like carpet, onto the baseboards. And so how you actually go about doing that is that you basically install the turf down where you want it, get it in the right direction and cut it to the shape that you want, and then pull back the pile until you can see the base matting of the turf, and then you want to screw that screw straight through there, and then it'll go flush and you'll never be able to see that screw. So the frequency of which you put these screws in is every 6 inches or every 150 mils around the perimeter of the turf. So let's talk about the turf and the size that it is typically supplied as. So it normally comes in a roll, like a big roll of carpet. It's often between 10 foot wide. You can get wider ones as well. So it's about 2.4 meters wide. And the length of it ranges from about 60 feet at maximum, which is kind of about 20 meters. So they're large rolls. This is a very small piece, just as a demonstration. But so you roll it out like carpet, and you do need to make sure you've got it faced the right way because it does have a bit of a pile to it. So you want to make sure that you're installing it in the same way. So you roll it out that way, roll it out that way, roll it out that way. You don't want to roll it this way, then turn around and roll it that way and do it like that. You all want the same pile going in the same direction. And you can use a tape underneath the edges of that turf to make sure it doesn't pull away. That makes for the best installation. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.